Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Let's continue where we left previous lesson. Exactly we left here. We finished our category validation. Now continue with the contact side. Let's collapse definitions. I'm gonna make ready all controller and I'm gonna make fast myself. Yep, that's two. Let's go. I don't have anything dashboard. Collapse definitions. And these two portfolio collapse definitions. These two action is ready to go. Service controller collapse definitions. I'm suggesting you find a way to read your project to make it faster, because when it comes to the reading, for example, 1 year later, this is really becoming frustrating to what you've done previous project. So just make yourself a method how you are able to read your project easily, and you can go on with that. um, you can go with that technique. All right, let's get our copy and paste. Of course, before that I'm going to add my dependencies. Control KD, private read only I validator, and I'm gonna skip that one just for now because I'm gonna make a copy and paste. Add validator, update validator. I'm gonna copy and paste those two for my all of controllers. Yes, next one. Control KD, and this is the last one. Perfect. Let's get back to the contact. Now contact, add vModel, contact, update vModel, delete and recreate our constructor. Perfect. Everything is ready now. Let's make ready all of them. This is home page, add vModel, home page, update vModel, delete this one, and can generate a structure. Perfect. Portfolio, add vModel, portfolio, update vModel, delete the constructor, and create a new one. Very nice. Service, add vModel, service, update vModel, delete and constructor recreated. The next one is team, add vModel, and team, update vModel. Let's have a look now. Let's delete it. Generate constructor. Perfect. Okay, now testimonial. testimonial add view model and testimonial update view model. Delete this one and can generate structure again. Perfect. All constructor is done. Let's get back to the contact. Copy and where is the category? I'm gonna get a copy from this one and I need this section. And here. Where is the problem now? Oh my god. Validate your for all of them. Yeah. It's working now. Let's add model. Oops, sorry. Let's add model state for all of them. Perfect. Now it's working. I'm sorry. Home page. Let's fix this validate your. If you guys trying to be faster like me, you might be messed up everything. Just be careful. I'm doing this kind of copy and paste things because this is the 100th times I'm doing. I'm tired to do write every single codes again and again. And that one. And we're going to get this section. And here. Yes, perfect. Let's go to the portfolio. Validate your. Perfect. Let's go to the home page. This is update. Home page, home page. It's home page, right? Let's go to the portfolio. And no, it was update. Let's take this one. This is the second phase. And this is the last one. Perfect. Now, service. Let's amend the validate your to validator. And this section. This is for the where is the problem here? And this is too much, yeah. Okay, let's get back to portfolio. Get this one. Where is the problem now? Delete it. Yeah. Must be okay now. Perfect. Alright. Let's try to start the team controller, validate your validator is done. Copy. All right. Copy again. Here we go. Paste. Control KD. No issues found. Perfect. Let's go back. Let's go to the testimonial. Validate your to validator has been done almost. Yeah, it's done. Start with the copy. Make it update. Get the copy. Control D. Okay, D. Control S. Yeah, we finished the test model as well. Let's save everything. Close all tabs. Minimize all. It's too confusing. And start with the CSS to my site. Let's have a look how many minutes done. 11. We can see continue. Area admin weave. So we need to start with the contact. Let's open all of them. This one, perfect. Let's get our copies from category. I'm gonna add all summaries to all CSHTML. Date. Homepage. Portfolio. Yep. Service. Update service. Testimonial. Update testimonial. Perfect. Now I'm gonna get one span for validations. Let's start with the contact. Continue. Yep. Alright, we have a location here. Call. Email. Map. So I'm gonna copy 4 of them. The update site. Perfect. Let's copy that span. And next one is homepage. You know the basics now. I show you how it's going to should be. Uh, that's why I'm doing quickly. Header done. Description done. Video link done. Perfect. Let's copy those 3 to the update site. Control V. All done. I'm gonna get a span again. Portfolio. Yep. Third one. Title. And category name. And photo. Let's copy 3. Let's copy 2 of them. Because we don't need anything to the for the photo for the update. All right. Let's go to service side. And here we go. Let's change the props. Perfect. I'm going to copy from add to the update. Hold on. Let's continue with the team. Yes. Oops. Delete. No, we already done. Yeah, just delete it. And do we have anything for the LinkedIn? Actually, why we did for the LinkedIn, Twitter, and this is team, right? Do we add anything? Let me have a look for quickly. It doesn't matter. Leave it like that. If we add something later, we have our spans in our hand. Yeah, just leave it like that. It's not a problem. Okay, now we have a full name. We have a title. We have a Twitter. We have a Facebook. We have Instagram. We have a LinkedIn. We have a photo. Alright, all added. Now let's get them all for the update. I'm gonna leave the photo again, same as before. Start with full name, finish with LinkedIn. Is it too much? Full name, title, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn. Full name, title, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn. Yeah, same. I feel like just it's kind of seems to me a little bit too much. Yeah, I'm going to get that spawn again for the testimonial. Title, comment, and photo. Full name, title, comment, and the photo. Alright, I guess all done. Let's copy with that photo for the update decimal and now paste it. Very nice. Alright guys, we finished our controllers, both CSS, HTML and controllers. Let's save them all, close all tabs, minimize. Let's have a look how many minutes it's done. It's 18, almost 19 minutes. Okay, we already tested anyway. I show you what's the message, what's the default messages. Next lesson we're going to start to change our messages, guys. Let's finish this lesson here and see you on next lesson. Bye bye.